Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from KuCoin to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin for better security, easier access, or portfolio management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Uphold, and that your Dogecoin is safely stored in your KuCoin wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Start by logging into your KuCoin account using a secure device and a strong password. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you'll find all your cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. Next, select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main page or in a drop-down menu. When you click it, you'll need to enter the wallet address for Uphold. To get that, log into your Uphold account in a new tab. Go to your Uphold dashboard, find the Dogecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's specifically for Dogecoin to prevent any errors. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive and unique to each coin. Back on KuCoin, paste that Uphold address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated fees and ensure you have enough Doge to cover them. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and verify the transaction with any two-factor authentication you have set up. This adds an extra layer of security. Now, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Blockchain tech is always evolving, so keep an eye on it. Head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see when the Dogecoin arrives. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Dogechain. A quick tip: always transfer a small test amount first to verify everything works. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now on Uphold. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.